look over here. Look at this. Oh my gosh. There is a huge storm. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Wow. Hopefully the chickens are okay. Crazy. Look at those clouds. These ones just came out of nowhere. I'm sitting in the guest room, and then all of a sudden I hear wind. Come to find out there's a storm coming. Full of violent storms and hurricanes. I can see that dead branch. I hope it's not going to fall over. This is some spooky stuff. That's why I saw them dark clouds earlier when I was coming from Dollar General. It was all the way up there. Must have came over here or something. This is insane. These have to be like... These have to be like... maybe 40 miles per hour. 40 or 50 miles per hour. This is some pretty strong winds. These are like, I don't know, probably 55 or 40, 50. Let's go over here real quick. Oh yeah, look over there. It's getting kind of spoopy over there. Let's go check on the chickens. Oh my goodness. These at least have to be 50 miles per hour or more. It doesn't look that windy on video, but it is very... Oh my gosh, a whole branch fell. Oh my gosh. This whole branch came off. Look at this. This whole... Oh my... Oh my gosh. These at least have to be like 50 miles per hour. Alright, let's go check on the chickens real quick and then we can probably go inside or something. Are y'all doing okay? Look at them. Hi, babies. Look at this. I didn't know pistachios can get that tall. This one's probably very old. I don't know if we're gonna get 100 or what. But these are some pretty strong, heavy winds. Oh yeah, look at that. How are y'all chickens doing? Doing okay? Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Oh, I saw a stick fly into the air. Oh my gosh. I was like, where's the storm at? These clouds produce wind. Because these are the clouds right here, and the wind is pushing it. So that's why we get winds. That was crazy. Those were like 50 miles per hour. At least 60. Oh, goodbye. Okay. I think winds are over now. Winds are finally over. I think I can go back inside now. Maybe not. Let's go back over there and look at that pistachio. Okay. Nope, still not done. This is what they call a windstorm. The turf is like going crazy right now. Okay. I'm trying to get that branch off right there, but I can't. Can't reach it. I did not expect for it to be like this today. I thought it was going to be a sunny day until this afternoon. It is currently 7:08 right now. We're getting wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Wow, that was crazy. I don't know if I can climb that pistachio, but it looks super old. There are the clouds again. Let's go have a look over here real quick. Let's go to the cedar tree in the brush pile. Here comes another wind gusts. I think those wind gusts are like going looping, I don't know. Sorry, that didn't make sense, but church building's okay. There's the magnolia tree. There's also the cell tower. So here, I just heard something crack. Here's the brush pile that we might eventually burn this week. I don't know. We need to chop the tree down because my pop doesn't want it to be too big of a fire. Look at this. Look at this. It's crazy. Look at the cedar tree. Cedar tree is like overgrown a bit. Oh, that just dies. Oh, there's a black willow. That's my tree in the backyard, except it's dead. See if we can take a look inside there. No, just stupid snakes and all that. Wow. These are some good looking clouds. Maybe there was a shelf cloud in the sky. Maybe there was a shelf cloud inside the cloud that probably produced this. Because when lower clouds move in, they produce a lot of wind. So that's probably why this is happening. Well, it's picking back up again. It's picking up. Wind chimes are blowing. Oh my gosh. These winds came out of nowhere too. Like that was super unexpected. Here's my Nana Pup's trailer. They don't live in a home, they live in a wheel car. Car on wheels. Oh, a house on wheels. Hey, got some new branches going in here. Okay. Got some new branches coming. Okay. Come here. Hopefully that branch survives because I want it to grow. This is like crazy. I heard something fall. I don't know if that was a wind or what. Shut up! Chickens are safe in their shelter. They don't even know what's going on. All they know is that there's a terrible windstorm right now. That was crazy. I did not expect this to happen today. Excuse me. Well, I better start going inside before the mosquitoes eat me up. Well, so thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and see y'all later. Peace out.